Make sure the roof is free from obstacles such as splinters and nails. We use an EPDM membrane for this project. This roof cladding foil is made to measure in the factory. Pandser EPDM is durable, root-resistant, permanently elastic and 100% UV resistant. Use the Pandser marker to draw 2 slanted lines onto the EPDM in the center of the opening, from corner to corner. Cut off approximately 20 centimeters of the tips. This automatically results in a border strip that will be glued onto the upstand at a later stage. Use a brush to apply Pandser bonding adhesive to the edge of the skylight and the bottom of the EPDM. This ready-to-use contact glue ensures an elastic and waterproof connection. Allow the contact glue to tack dry. Use the Pandser pressure roller to tightly press the EPDM onto the transfer point of the roof and the skylight. The Pandser silicone pressure roller ensures a proper connection. Place the Pandser prefab outer corner over the roof edge. Round the corners. Mark the edge of the outside corner onto the substrate. Mark an area on the inside at 2 centimeters from the edge. Also, mark 2 centimeters on the bottom of the prefab outer corner. Apply Pandser bonding adhesive within the marking to the roof cladding and the upstand. This ready-to-use contact glue can be applied very accurately using a brush. Also, apply contact glue to the inside of the prefab outer corner. Allow the contact glue to tack dry. Use leftover pieces of EPDM to prevent the contact glue from bonding directly together. Remove the leftover pieces of EPDM one by one and tightly press the corner with the silicone pressure roller. Seal the edges with Pandser EPDM adhesive and sealant for a waterproof result. Tightly press the edge of the corner. Remove the excess sealant to ensure a tight finish. Check out www.pandser.com for the full range and points of sale.